Hello friends, welcome to my channel Charts and Patterns. This is your friend Saurabh Bhattacharya. So today we'll be discussing about a very important stock that is quite well known among the retail traders as well as the big traders who are in the market. So yes, you have guessed it right. The name of the stock is Trident. So fundamentally the stock is very good, and for the past 1 year the stock has increased by leaps and bounds. If you see its 52 weeks high, it has reached nearly 60, and right now the stock has corrected 30%, nearly 30% from its 52 weeks high, and currently it is trading around 44 rupees. So lot of people are now in panic who has bought it in a range of 50 to 60. Right now they are in lots of panic since the stock is continuously freezing on the lower circuit for the past few days. So if you take my opinion, I will say that 40 is a very good support for the stock. If you look at the chart of Trident, you will see that the stock has consolidated a lot in the region of 40, and then it broke out and it hit the target of 60, and when it is coming down, then also 40 will be a very crucial support for the stock, and I think the stock will bounce back from this region as well, and the fundamentals of the stock is intact. The results of the stock is also good of the company. The company is doing a very good business, and the performance of the company is excellent, I will say. So there is no reason for any panic regarding this stock. And regarding the continuous lower circuit is concerned, see, when the stock was going up, then also the stock was hitting the upper circuit, and while it is correcting, then also it is hitting continuously the lower circuit. So this thing is common. This thing is quite natural. More in case of most of the stocks, many stocks, it has happened previously. So this is not suspicious, neither it is unprecedented. So I will ask the retail traders, if you have invested in this stock in high region of 50 to 60 rupees, I will ask you don't to exit in loss. You can average it around 40, keep a strict stop loss of 38, and you can remain invested in it for a long term. I will request the new traders, if they get the stock around 40 also, then also they can enter the stock with a strict stop loss of 38. Always remember to keep stop losses while you are investing, either for short term or long term. If you really like my video, then please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Your every like and subscription will add a motivation for me, and I will come back with more good content like this, which will really help you in future. Thank you.